Machine that is lapping a fuel injector nozzle. Here's a few sample little parts right here, but Tim has one on a piece on a little forcep here that you can take a look at, and we'll give you some better shots of that later. And then what happens is that these little parts are put in this bowl feeder, and then they come out of the bowl feeder, vibrate down, and they come down through this chute and into the machine. And then I'll go is the work area. And the work area essentially consists of two large drive wheels, one on the top, one down here on the bottom. And the part comes through, and Tim is going to sort of simulate how the part comes down, and then the part comes down and sits right, come up a little further, Tim, right there, right? And then there's a little flat lapping tool, and I'm going to start pushing it in. It comes in right here. It comes in as the part is spun between these two steel wheels. This flat lapping wheel, which is held right on the tip down here on the tip of this tool holder, comes in and is held in position, and with the flat stone laps the part, it retracts, and then the mechanism that holds it between these two wheels releases, and the part drops down through this little chute here and out as a finished product. So that's the basic function of this machine, and there's a lot happening inside here. I can't really describe what all these mechanisms do, but it's very looks quite complex in here. But essentially, all the component parts lead up to the machining of the part in that one little spot that we've shown you. If you have any other further questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you.